over $900 has been made on Facebook in less than 30 days. As you can see on your dashboard, you can also make this kind of money in less than 30 days. Some people make $10,000 monthly, people like Gigi and others. All right, so if you want to make money on Facebook, here are things you must know. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscriber button, turn on post notifications so that when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, so let's dive right in. So if you want to start making money on Facebook, here are a few things you need to know. One, you have to create a Facebook page, because before you come to this video, you already have a Facebook profile, right? You sign up for your Facebook profile normally, then you need to create a Facebook page. Now, we have two types of pages on Facebook. The one for your profile that you can turn to professional mode and still make money on. Then you have the one you can create, that's a page you can create and manage. Now, I will advise you, if you want to start making content on Facebook, don't make content on your Facebook profile. If you must make content on your Facebook profile should be the secondary place you post your content. Why? Because if you get logged out of your account, maybe Facebook ban your account, that's the end of that profile. Why I recommend you to use your Facebook page to post most of your content all the time is because on your Facebook page, you can add other people to help you manage your page in case if your normal account gets banned. Do you understand? Because if you add other people to your page, and the people you must add to your page are people you trust, your family members, your father, your brother, your cousins, your mother, you must trust them. Then you add them to your Facebook page as admin and you give them full access. All right, don't give them partial access, give them full access. So if anything happens to your Facebook account tomorrow or anytime, they will be the one to send invitation to your new Facebook profile. They will send invitation to your new Facebook profile as an admin too, so that you regain access to your Facebook. Because if you use your profile or you use your page and you don't add anybody as admin on that page or give full access to other persons you trust, when Facebook bans your account, maybe you did something mistakenly or there was an error and they refuse to unban it, that's the end of your Facebook. That's the end of your pages. Imagine posting content for 2 years, 3 years, and you have over 100,000 followers, and you just woke up one morning and Facebook is telling you to verify your identity, that there's been a suspicious activities on your account, and the next thing you find out that you couldn't verify your identity. After verifying your identity, they didn't still give you access to your account. That means you have automatically lost your account. You have also lost that page you've been creating content on. That's wasted effort over the years. You understand? But if you have added another person you trusted on that page, they will be able to send an invite to the new Facebook account you are going to create. They will send an invite, then they will add you to the page, and you gain access and continue posting your content. Nothing is lost. You only lost the former account profile, which is not a page. All right, you can also turn your profile to a professional mode, but it's not really advisable most of the time. Even if you turn it, don't focus on posting your content on that page, on that profile, because you might get banned. All right, so if this video has been helpful, since you've been watching, kindly hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to this channel. All right, so let's continue. Now, the thing is, if you want to start creating content on Facebook, these are the things you must put into consideration. You must choose a niche. All right, then before you start to post Facebook videos on your page, you must have enough content to post for the week, for the month. All right, Facebook will naturally recommend you to post 3 times on Facebook daily. So if you must post 3 times on Facebook daily, then you must have content on ground that you need to schedule on your page and post according to your schedule. You must understand your audience when they are online, people who are interested in you. All right, so people who are interested in you is based on your niche. If you're talking about finances and or you're just posting about lifestyle, you must focus on that niche. You can't be posting football content, posting cryptocurrency content, posting news, posting traditional content. You must choose one so that your audience will understand you. People should know you for one thing. Okay, now if you are posting financial content, maybe cryptocurrency, forex trading, business, entrepreneur, e-commerce and stuff like that, then you must stick to it. Anything that involves money, you must stick to it, so that when people are looking for something, they'll remember, oh, okay, let me go to this guy's page and ask questions if he'll be able to give me answer, or this guy that would have made a video that corresponds to this my question or something. They will come to your page to look for information. All right, there are people that visit your pages every single day without even following, without, like, they just want to come and get information. Some, once they find your content so helpful and useful, they will click the follow button. All right, so you must focus on that niche. Then you must create several videos. You must have videos that you've professionally edited and stockpile them on your Google Drive or your system, or use a Dropbox to save those files. So when you are ready to post them, you keep posting. You can dedicate a whole month in creating your content down. You just create the content and make sure that the content is enough for you to post within 1 month. If you divide them into three videos daily, then you also pay attention to your professional dashboard, your Facebook professional dashboard. The tasks that are being given, they are helping you to keep up with consistency, because Facebook will always reward consistency. All right, they respect you for being consistent on Facebook, and you must be consistent to get any reasonable result. All right, in as much as you are also focusing on creating content consistently and you are building your page organically, you must also learn that you need to sponsor some of this your content to new audience. There are some audience that are actually looking for your content that will never get to see your content until you promote some certain videos on your pages. You can use $2, $5, 1,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 7,000 naira to promote your videos. All right, when you promote your videos and other audiences get to see those videos, they will just click the follow button, and that's how you build your page and get more followership. All right, then Facebook will also know that, okay, this content creator is so serious about this content. They will start pushing your content. They will start pushing it to wider audience. They will start recommending your posts, start recommending everything that has to do with your profile, your pages, to different audience in different countries. All right, people who are searching for that terms that pertain to your niche. All right, so if this video has been helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. Comment, ask your questions. Mind you, this video that I'm making right now is an introductory video. All right, the main tutorial will be uploaded in my next video. So if you don't subscribe and turn on post notification, there is no how you are going to get notified when you get this video. And mind you, trust me, I'm going to break down this tutorial in a layman's language that you're going to understand every single thing that I'm trying to explain to you. It will be very difficult for you to have questions unless I didn't touch that particular aspect. That's when you are going to have questions. All right, so I will see you in my next video, and you can also check out other videos on this video that you are watching right now to learn other things. All right, and for my Pi Network community, if you are also having issues with your Pi Network and wherever, please kindly search for some of my videos that I've uploaded earlier, and if I didn't cover what you're looking for, use the comment section, ask questions, and I'll be reaching out to you. I'll be making video just because of you. All right, so bye for now, and I will see you in my next video. I remain your guy, Senator Nonso. Bye, I'll see you later.